Here's how to remove a Wi-Fi network from your iPhone. You're going to go to settings first, and this can be the current network that you're on. And if it asks you to enter in your password here in settings, you can do that. I'm doing the iPhone mirroring on this recording, so it might be a little weird. But basically, you're going to see your Wi-Fi settings right here. So if we tap on that, we're inside of our Wi-Fi settings. If we want to remove or forget the current network we're on, we just tap on the little icon right here, and then come up here to forget this network. And basically, your iPhone and any other devices connected to that iCloud keychain won't be able to join that Wi-Fi network automatically. You can always go back to it. You can find the network, select join, enter in the password again, but forgetting it removes it from your iPhone. Now, the other thing that you can do is go to the old networks that you've been connected to. And sometimes, especially if auto join on that network is turned on, some of those networks can be frustrating because you might have multiple networks that you're auto joining. And so if you want to remove it, you click this edit button up here. You will have to enter in your iPhone password for this one. And then you can select any of the old networks. You can actually just click this minus button right here, and it will delete that network and forget it and remove it from your iPhone. So it's pretty easy to do that. You can also click on the little icon again and do the same thing, or look at the password, or turn off auto join, things like that. And then once you're done, you just hit the check mark right here, and it basically asks if you want to confirm removing what you removed, and you'd say yes if you wanted to. That's how you can remove a Wi-Fi network from your iPhone.